This usually happens because your Kali Linux is missing the latest security key, so it can't verify that updates are coming from the official Kali repository. The good news is it's really easy to fix. First, run this command. What this command does is download the latest official security key directly from the Kali Linux servers. Think of it like downloading a new ID card that proves the updates are safe and haven't been modified. Wait a few seconds for the download to finish. Next, run this command. This command installs the security key into your system. It converts the downloaded key into the format Linux expects and saves it, where APT can use it to verify every future update. If it asks whether you want to overwrite the existing file, just type Y and press enter. That's completely normal. Now let's see if it works. Simply run sudo apt update, and there you go. As you can see, the package list is updating successfully and the GPG error is completely gone. I'll put every command in the description below so you can copy and paste them directly into your terminal without typing everything yourself. If this video saved you some time, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more quick Kali Linux fixes.